Dr. Munshi Nasser, Skilled. How are you, my dear learners? In this video, I'm going to talk about the professional way of doing data science. Now, my dear learners, there are lots of books I have written and I have read for data science. Nowadays, especially those who are coming from the social science and also arts and humanities like literature, psychology, history, for them, in the long run, these courses, the demand for this course for the job market will be obsolete. There will be no longer job opportunities for these literature-based or narrative-based subjects. You have to focus on blended program, meaning that if you are working or studying social work, sociology, economics, or public ed, political science, or you can say anthropology, okay? These subjects will be available in future also, but they will be mixed with applied part. For example, if you know how to use the data and applying in your own field to find out some data-driven decision, then your demand will be available in the next 10 years. However, if you don't know how to use this data science and research, then this will no longer be available. In my class, in the future classes, I'm going to provide a free opportunity for all my viewers and audience to learn a software called BlueSky Statistics. Those who are interested to join my class to learn about BlueSky Statistics, you can join me for free. And this will help you to understand how you can analyze your data no matter whatever background you are coming from. And this is a completely free software. So this might help you to learn a data-driven decision analysis for any subject, especially from the social science and arts and humanities background. So I hope this video will be helpful and interested persons can email me to join my free course for only 2 days data analysis training. Hopefully you will join and learn a fantastic tool and apply this and get a new job opportunity in the upcoming days. Thank you, my dear learners. Bye-bye.